Hey, good day everybody, Fred here from Twoloosebricks, and I'm got my SigFig right there. He's sitting on his bigger brother Yoda, and he's on his big adventure out to the wonderful world of Mindyaplois. So let's go say goodbye to my SigFig right here, who's going out to Mindyaplois in Utah, previous home of Yoda. It's funny, I bought Yoda from Alex back several years ago. That's right, that is where my big brother here, Yoda, came from. That's right, Alex sold me Yoda many years ago, and now I'm returning my SigFig to him. Pretty cool, eh? My SigFig's going out to live in the city of Mindyaplois at Alex's place. And also, I got some swag going out to him too. So I'm on top of Mount Yoda, getting ready for my big adventure out to the big city of Mindyaplois, Utah. That's right. So this is the figure which I'm removing the center part here and here for my SigFig for you guys, Alex and Mindy. And as I explained, the red arms are like the red sides of the Canadian flag. The middle is white with the red maple leaf, which I have right here on the decal ready to go on. And there's nothing on the back, but we'll get that done right now. So here we go. And this is where the elbow work comes in. Using the nail polish remover, non-acetone type. It just takes a lot of elbow grease. Gotta make it sparkly white like the Canadian flag. Good now on the front. And we'll just remove number 3 on the back. Now my SigFig that I have both I got several little accessories that I have with mine because I do different things with it. So if you have a donut, like Homer Simpson's donut, stick it on the hand here because that's truly Canadian, or a lobster. I have a red lobster on mine most of the time. Sometimes I have the donut and a cup of coffee in his hands because that is quite the thing here. Tim Hortons coffee is probably equivalent to the Dunkin' Donuts in the USA. However, I prefer Dunkin' Donuts over Tim Hortons, but they're the big one here in Canada, and everyone has to have their Timmies. So, between Tim Hortons donuts and lobsters and beavers and Canada geese, yeah, there's all kinds of cool things you can do with your SigFig. So, oh, this one's taking a rough time to get that back off. Oh, man. And here I stand with my big brother Yoda, getting ready to go to the big city of Mindyaplois. I can't wait to get there and exchange places, basically. And here's Mindy's reaction to me arriving at Mindyaplois. A little crest for the city. Well, I guess I need a coffee when I get off the plane because I'm not too stable on my legs. So, it's funny. But I love being at the airport. It was a perfect placement for me. Thank you, Mindy. Thank you, Alex and Mindy, for my new home. And if you would like to check out Mindy's full video of my arrival, you'll be able to do right here above. And also Alex's original Yoda, the build. This is Fred from Twoloosebricks. See you later, Bricksters.